Good morning YouTube, it's R6 Monkey here, and 6:30 on a Tuesday morning, and this will be the reason why I will never be the number one neighbour about here. Well, it's 7:15 actually, but not to split hairs. Sorry neighbours. So yes guys, I've decided, because it's such a nice morning, I'm going to take the bike to work. The missus will probably be none too pleased either. I've probably just woke her up, but hey ho. If I'm up, why shouldn't they? Here we go. So yes, here we are guys. 7:15 on a Tuesday morning, eh? I really need to order a new pinlock for this. But I've been kind of holding off because, once again, I'm still on the lookout for a new helmet. So we'll see what comes up first. I do still have the pinlock on my mirror visor, but it's one of those universal adhesive ones. Does the job, but it's not as if I could chop and change the pinlock between visors, and I opted to go with a clear visor this morning just in case. You never know what the day brings. So yes guys, we're out, the cameras are rolling. No idea what I had in mind sort of to talk about, but fuck it. Yes, another day of work ahead of us. Thankfully though, today being a Tuesday is technically Friday for me. After today I'm off for 4 days. The joys of working 4 on 4 off rota. The only downside being is, you know, you work your fair share of weekends. But hey, needs must. Gives me a good mix of work life and home life. Can schedule stuff in midweek. Which is handy. Yes, definitely missing my pinlock. I know not everybody runs a pinlock, so apart from having the visor open a slight crack or making sure you get plenty of ventilation through the helmet, which as you can hear causes a lot of wind noise, what other stuff do you recommend for inside the visor to stop it from fogging up? Do any you use any of the sprays or anything like that? Drop me a wee message in the comments, let us know what you recommend. As I say, I'd go on and get a pinlock straight away, but ideally I want a new lid. And I know it's only like 25-30 quid for a pinlock, but that could be something that pushes my budget for my next helmet up a wee bit. I'm not exactly rich. Guarantee you, see come tomorrow when I'm off, it's going to be pissing down, innit? Well guys, I will probably wrap it up here. That was just a wee short one. As I say, took the opportunity to bring the bike to work. Cameras were charged. So if any of my neighbours are watching this, I kinda apologise. Hashtag sorry not sorry. If my missus is watching this, I do apologise. I've got to keep in good with the fucking her indoors. But guys, as I normally say, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.